Welcome to Renovate. Today, we'll be examining the best cordless soldering irons. The Weller cordless soldering iron offers a portable solution for small on-the-go soldering tasks. It runs on 4 AA batteries, delivering up to 8 watts of power, making it ideal for lightweight tasks like electronics repairs and hobby projects. It heats up quickly in just 38 seconds and includes a built-in LED to help illuminate your work area, which is particularly useful in low-light environments. The auto shut-off feature also kicks in when the cap is placed, ensuring safety and battery preservation. However, there are a few drawbacks. Since it runs on AA batteries, this model tends to have limited usage time compared to corded models. Some users report it struggles with thicker wires or more demanding tasks that require prolonged heat. Also, frequent battery replacements can become inconvenient, especially for heavy users. In conclusion, this soldering iron is a good option for quick fixes and portability, though it may not suit those needing a high-power tool for larger projects. If you're looking for convenience and portability, this might be a great fit. You can find the link to purchase this item on Amazon in the description below the video. The Hakko 901 is a portable, cordless soldering iron ideal for small soldering jobs and field repairs. It heats up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit in 20 to 40 seconds, making it efficient for on-the-go work. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it can operate for up to 2 hours with rechargeable NiMH batteries, offering flexibility in environments without power outlets. The tool's design is compact and lightweight, and the safety cap automatically shuts off the power, preventing accidental heating. However, this model has some limitations. Its fixed temperature of 600 degrees Fahrenheit isn't sufficient for heavy-duty tasks like soldering thick wires or large components. The ergonomics could be better, as it lacks stability when placed down, which can be awkward during use. Overall, this model is a handy option for light-duty, portable soldering. It's a solid choice for hobbyists or technicians working in the field. You can find a link to purchase it on Amazon in the description below the video. The RYOBI 946 is a powerful cordless soldering iron, offering the convenience of mobility with RYOBI's popular 1+ 18-volt battery system. It heats up rapidly in under 90 seconds and has a wide temperature range adjustable from 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to tailor the heat to your specific task. With its onboard LED, you can easily monitor when it's heating up, ready for use or cooling down. The soldering iron is especially useful for jobs where portability is key, such as vehicle wiring or outdoor repairs, thanks to its 3-foot reach. However, it does have a few limitations. The unit doesn't come with a battery or charger, which means you'll need to have those separately if you don't already own other RYOBI tools. Also, while the holder provides a safe place for the iron, it lacks a spot for a cleaning sponge, which some users may find inconvenient. In conclusion, this model is an excellent choice for those who need a reliable and portable soldering iron, especially if you're already in the RYOBI ONE+ ecosystem. For more details, you can check out the link to purchase this on Amazon in the description below the video. The CRAFTSMAN 40B is a cordless soldering iron designed for portability and convenience, making it ideal for on-site work where access to power outlets may be limited. It heats up quickly and allows you to adjust the temperature from 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you control for a variety of tasks, including electrical work, wood burning, or metal soldering. The 4-foot cord offers flexibility, and it comes with a sponge and holder to safely store the hot iron when not in use. However, this model does not include a battery or charger, which must be purchased separately unless you already own other CRAFTSMAN V20 tools. Additionally, while the iron is portable and easy to use, the runtime is limited to about 45 minutes per charge, depending on the type of work. Overall, this model offers solid performance and flexibility for light to medium soldering tasks. If you're already using the CRAFTSMAN V20 battery platform, this could be a useful addition to your toolset. Check out the link in the description below for more details and purchasing options on Amazon. The Weller 75 is a versatile butane-powered cordless soldering iron, ideal for on-the-go soldering jobs. It features an adjustable power range from 25 watts to 75 watts, providing plenty of versatility for various soldering projects. This model heats up quickly, reaching up to 1076 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for quick jobs in tight spaces. It can also be converted into a blowtorch or hot air tool, expanding its usefulness beyond just soldering. The tool is lightweight and easy to handle, with a simple piezo ignition system for fast starts. Despite its many advantages, some users have noted that its plastic components, such as the tip collar, may not withstand prolonged high heat use. Additionally, while it's highly portable, the lack of included accessories like a carrying case might be a drawback for some. Overall, this model tool is perfect for those needing a flexible, cordless option for soldering or light touch work. If you need portable soldering power, this model could be worth considering. Check the link in the description for more details and to purchase on Amazon. The Milwaukee 2488 cordless soldering iron is part of the M12 tool lineup, providing excellent portability and power for soldering tasks. Its standout feature is the fast heat-up time, reaching operational temperature in just 18 seconds, making it ideal for quick jobs. The tool includes a 3-stop pivoting head, giving you flexible access to tight spots. Additionally, the iron has a temperature-ready LED indicator that shows when it's safe to use and store, powered by the RedLink intelligence system that ensures it maintains a consistent temperature throughout use. One downside is the need to purchase the M12 battery separately, as it's not included with the tool. Some users have also reported reliability issues over time, particularly related to the heating element and control board. Additionally, while the tool heats quickly, it may not be durable enough for heavy continuous use. Overall, this model soldering iron is a solid choice for those already invested in the M12 system, offering fast, efficient operation for light to medium soldering tasks. You can find more details and purchase options through the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.